it's Krista with artisticvegan.com, and I'm excited to bring you a new recipe today. It is for broccoli ranch twice baked potatoes. Oh my gosh. And you can do this with regular vegan ranch or the avocado vegan ranch. We've done it both ways. Both are fantastic, and you can use a regular potato, sweet potato, large potatoes, small potatoes, whatever you'd like. So you want to start by piercing your potatoes and then placing them in water with a little pinch of salt, if you please, and placing them over a flame, placing a lid on it, and then bringing it to a boil. Once they're boiling and you can easily pierce them with a knife and they come off nice and easily, then you can remove them from the heat and drain. The oven will be preheated to about 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and then you just want to put a little tiny bit of coconut or olive oil on the outside with salt and pepper. You can also skip the oil and go oil-free. That works just as well. And then place them in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes. You can also add your favorite vegetables on the side if you want to roast them on the side as well. Once those are done, you want to take them out of the oven, slice them in half, and then scoop the inside out, leaving a little edge around the side and on the base for stability. And then you put that into a bowl, add a little salt and pepper, and then some vegan ranch, about a half cup or more to taste, and then mash it all up until it's nice and whipped, and then fold in chopped broccoli, about a half cup or so, and you want to chop it really nice and fine, and then fold that into the potato mixture, and then you just place that into the potato well, if you will, and fill it up, and then you place them back in the oven for about 15 minutes. And I did roast a couple poblano peppers on the side and put the extra filling in there, so that's another handy thing you can do with other peppers or vegetables. Once they come out of the oven, drizzle a little ranch on top, sprinkle a little extra broccoli, maybe some green onions, and you're all set. Look at that, the inside has the nice whipped mixture. It's been baked, a little golden on the outside, absolutely delicious and mouth-watering. It smells fantastic. I'm gonna go share with Gerald. Go to artisticvegan.com to get the recipe. And if you like this video, please like and comment and subscribe and share. And I hope to see you next time. And if you want yoga or other fun themes, then please check out my premium. And if not, I'll see you next time. Bye.